Things continue to look more and more positive for XRP SEC settlement. The rumor mill of $107 million has never really come to fruition. People talking about a 1 billion XRP unlock. Is this the final settlement number? We'll break it all down for you in this video, and more importantly, what's going on with Coinbase that could absolutely ignite the bull run. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So welcome back, everybody. Don't forget, as always, turn your notification bell on so you're updated with all our latest XRP news, as well as Jasmy, Ethereum, and everything else. But I first want to talk just a little bit about a potential price outbreak for XRP. It's actually up today. The market trend has been really volatile. Bitcoin dropping down about 61,500, has bounced back a little bit, but XRP up on the day. What's interesting here on the monthly chart, though, is lots of people are starting to predict a very bullish month of July for cryptocurrency. History tells us Bitcoin tends to move about 10%, Ethereum moving slightly more, around 18%. XRP could therefore see a final price movement that many of us do want to see. So why would it move? What's the question? What's going on? And more importantly, what do we expect to see? Well, there's a couple of things that have happened more recently that people are getting incredibly bullish on when it comes to XRP, namely a potential XRP ETF. Now, we know Solana ETFs have more recently been filed, and we await the launch of the Ethereum ETFs that once again could be coming as soon as July the 8th. But we know Hashdex, the Hashdex ETF requiring 215 XRP per share. Now, this is the SEC has acknowledged the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF, highlighting growing regulatory acceptance of cryptocurrency. We now have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then even other ETFs that are commingled with XRP. They may have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, and this opens up the door for much more. The XRP demand for Hashdex is, however, very important. So significant XRP demand for the ETF signals its rising importance, with 17 million plus XRP needed per share. The US SEC has formally acknowledged the 19B filings for the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, highlighted by Chad Steingruber. The ETF proposed to hold both spot Bitcoin and Ethereum, making a significant development in the digital asset landscapes. This is very good news. And again, Hashdex opening up the opportunity here for many altcoins and much, much more. This obviously is the first part of a definite bullish move in July. Now, it doesn't stop there. We also know that there is a significant move in terms of grants and applications for both Japan and Korea, boosting the XRPL innovation. Now, you may ask yourself, 2-bit, why is this important? Well, more recently, we've seen Sony looking to launch an exchange in Japan, and we already know that Jasmy is involved, and the Japanese government offering tax breaks, as well as being incredibly bullish on what is coming. Now, don't forget, a lot of e-commerce as well as institutions around finance do tend to come out of Japan, or certainly have offices there. Well, the Japan and Korea XRP fund is now accepting grant applications, and more importantly, funding development over on the XRPL, and as well as being innovators in this region. Really important to think about. Further, there's Ripple $500 million commitment to the XRP ledger in Asia. So this isn't a small chunk of change. This is a significant investment into the cryptocurrency infrastructure over in Japan. We talked previously in a video about a potential Jasmy and XRP partnership, which would be absolutely wild. But for me, absolutely cements XRP in cross-border payments. We know more recently they really built their European offices. Asia now feels like it is the next one on the list. And that can only be good news. The reality is that we are still waiting for that settlement, but there has been some updates when it comes to that. More importantly, we know that Coinbase and Ripple Labs are now using Binance's pivotal legal victory to challenge the ongoing case in the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Both companies argue the SEC's approach needs more clarity and consistency, necessitating formal rulemaking to better define the regulatory parameter for digital assets. We know that obviously Coinbase did go ahead and sue the SEC, and more importantly, the SEC defined Ethereum as no longer being a security, as well as Bitcoins. This is a good news story. We obviously know that this hasn't finalized, and we also know that we're still waiting for that settlement number, but this can only be a positive thing. We also know Brad Garlinghouse been going at Gary Gensler significantly over on X as well. So there is a lot of anticipation on the back of this. What you can say is the market dynamic is definitely shifting, and we do know that there is more regulatory clarity coming, but at the same time, the once was real stand fast moments for the SEC do feel like they're wavering, and there's certainly a momentum shift when it comes to the XRP, as well as the wider cryptocurrency market. The fact we now have Ethereum ETFs, Bitcoin ETFs, a Solana ETF that has been approved, and much more can only support the narrative that XRP, as well as many other cryptos, are set for a big month in July. If you take a look at the price action, well, we had a nice little move today, breaking back up at 48 cents, around 1.64% in a market decline. Bitcoin just back above 62,000. So we are looking for a nice uptrend. What I think is important is we've had this support line drawn on this chart now, what feels like forever, 46.81. We had a very nice bounce. We talked about this 2 days ago in my video updates as well on my live stream, that this could be a local bottom for XRP, given a potential market move could see us push back up. I'd like to see us come and test that 50-day simple moving average for bullish support, but more importantly, we are seeing some key metrics starting to really give us some signals that XRP is heading upwards. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? What's your view on the Coinbase Ripple case? And let me know about the about the Japan, Korea build out for XRP. How bullish are you? As always, if you enjoyed this content, you want to see more XRP videos on this live streams and equally on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, drop a comment as always down below. Massively helps out the channel and I really appreciate your time. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.